you show you how to maintain the pool in about 5 minutes. Okay? It's a salt water pool. You can change the salt water pool in 5 minutes. Say it again now.
So turn the pump off. Move this dial always clockwise.
Always clockwise.
To backwash. Turn it on for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Then turn the pump off. Then clockwise turn this to rinse. Turn it on. 15 seconds.
15 seconds only. Okay. What did that range do? What did that do?
So backwash cleans the filter, and then rinse lowers the water back down, settles everything back down in the filter.
15 seconds only.
15 seconds. Then turn it off and go back to filter and turn it on. Waste
filter is always filter, right?
Always filter.
What the filter do?
It sends water through this filter, the water from the pool through the filter, and it filters out the bacteria.
They always filter that. That's all we do.
Keeps it clean.
Keep it clean. Okay.
Waste is to drain water out of the pool. That's it.
Ooh.
Like if the water gets too high, you can put it on waste and drain the water down.
So backwash, they drain the water too?
Yes, it does. Backwash does too.
All right. What about closed and winterize and so on?
Closed is nothing. Recirculate is bypassing the filter. It sends the water through the system, but bypasses the filter. You never need to use that.
Okay.
Never.
What do they have that for? Just curious.
If you want to shock, if you want to use powder chlorine in the skimmer.
So I never need the power chlorine. Okay.
Because you have a salt system and the minerals.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And that's it.
And then the winterize?
You're not going to close the pool.
Right. Okay.
That's if you closed it in the winter time.
Okay. But this pool, you don't think it needs to be closed?
No,
okay.
Leave it open year round.
And then what is this one right here? Number 1 to number 6. What does that mean?
Yeah, that's how high the mineral is turned
this
to.
One to 70% all the time.
70%.
Okay. This.
And on this one, we can just leave it at like 3%.
Okay. We can change it now.
Yeah.
So have you put the field cartridge here?
I have it with me. I'm going to put it in today.
Okay, I appreciate that. How many times before I need to replace?
6 months.
6 months. What did that thing do? Filter, clean the dirt?
No, it puts minerals in the water. Keeps the water nice and clean.
Mineral.
Minerals.
Is that some kind of chemical or what? Is
a mineral is like, it keeps the water clean and allows you to use less chemicals. Helps keep the chemicals balanced.
But this one I never need the chemicals. Just put shot by shot. How many times
do I need shot?
No, by a shot. SALT.
Oh,
salt. A shot.
Only when this system says low salt.
Oh, okay. So then right now it's good?
That's great. Yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
How do I need to test? It
will show you. It will show you low salt right here. It'll say low salt. And you can also maybe once every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, take a water sample to Blue Wave and just let them test.
How far away Blue Wave here?
15 minutes.
Okay. Okay. So go test a Blue Wave or Leslie or whatever.
Yeah,
okay. What did that water coming out here? What does it mean?
I think there's a little leak here.
Okay.
But it's no big deal. I can try to tighten it, but it'll be very difficult. I'll try to hit it with a mallet and tighten it a little.
Okay, need to keep it under 20. So if it over, will it going to be blow up?
No. You just need to backwash.
Oh,
but it won't blow up. No.
Okay, so when the pressure high, we need to backwash them.
Correct.
Backwash is about 20, you say
2 minutes.
2 minutes. And race in 15 seconds.
15 seconds, you got it.
And you never need to clean out the pool or something like that.
No.
Okay, and when to do shot? How many shots? How many bags do I need and how many pounds?
2 bags.
2 bags?
40 pounds each bag.
Okay. Okay. Usually we do it about once a month, 2 a month, or sometimes?
Maybe 2 bags a month.
Okay.
That's it.
Just wait until this one says. Where's the shot go? I mean, it's just always in there.
Pour it into the deep end.
Oh.
Pour it into the deep end, and then take that brush, brush down.
Okay. So where is the salt now? Because you know where the salt.
Dissolved into the water.
Why we loosen the salt? I'm just curious because it's always there.
When you backwash.
Oh, okay.
Drain salt out of the pool.
Okay. If not, the salt always in the pool, right?
Always.
Right.
Always.
It's like salt. If the drain is still there, and if you know,
correct,
you backwash. Thank you so much.